In today's video, I'm going to teach you why CapCut is often better for absolute beginners, especially social media or quick edits. If you're new to editing or making short clips for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels, CapCut's biggest advantage is how easy it is to pick up. The interface is clean, the workflow is drag and drop, and the essentials like trimming, splitting, and adding transitions are right where you expect them. You can drop your clip onto the timeline, tap to cut out what you don't need, add a quick transition, and you're already looking at a polished result. CapCut also includes a lot of free tools that beginners actually use. Auto captions can transcribe your voice in a click. Filters and effects help your footage match a vibe, and social media style templates let you build a complete edit without starting from scratch. Because these features are built in and optimized for speed, it's ideal for quick edits and short-form content. If you're experimenting or posting casually, the free first model means you can learn and publish without paying upfront. A simple tip: start with a template that matches your format, then customize text, colors, and clips. You'll get a professional look while you learn the basics. Now, if you want room to grow or plan to make longer, more detailed videos, Filmora might fit you better. It offers a more advanced timeline with multiple tracks, cleaner track management, and precise controls like keyframing, motion tracking, and more sophisticated effects. That flexibility matters when you're building longer edits, creating YouTube content, or dialing in fine control with color grading and audio mixing. Think of it as a step towards semi-professional editing without the steep learning curve of high-end software. There are a few things to watch out for when choosing. Cost-wise, CapCut gives you a lot for free. Filmora has a free version, but it often adds a watermark. And removing it, plus unlocking advanced features, usually requires a paid plan. In terms of complexity, Filmora's power can feel overwhelming if you only need quick cuts and captions, while CapCut trades some precision tools for a simpler experience. And for performance, CapCut runs great on mobile and lighter devices, whereas Filmora is best on a desktop and benefits from stronger hardware for heavier projects. Here's my recommendation: if you're brand new, focusing on short content, or don't want to pay yet, start with CapCut. If you're aiming for longer videos and more control, go with Filmora. Many creators actually use both: CapCut for fast social edits and Filmora when a project needs more polish.